Former American NSA John Bolton says India's reaction on Balakot airstrike was appropriate. He has recently released his book, The Room Where It Happened, said that during the India-Pakistan crisis in 2019, India showed restraint and acted in a balanced way. He said this was potentially a very significant military confrontation, very risky behavior on the Pakistani side. The US spoke to India as it is a part of expanding and deepening bilateral US-India relationship. He said, both countries have many common threads and some issues which need to be resolved between the US and India. But there's no underestimating the stronger India-US connection. Here are excerpts from the John Bolton interview. He said, our immediate reaction was that it was a potential provocation from the Pakistan side that we understood could have escalated the tension. It was a developing situation. About America's intelligence on the issue, he said, I won't get into what the US intelligence revealed to us, of course, but the US authority had a very good conversation with his counterpart. We came away from the crisis feeling that the Indian side had exercised appropriate kind of restraint, and it was a real incentive for deepening communication in the future crisis. He further said, if we are prepared for it, there are chances that it can be resolved more easily. We were pleased by the way the crisis played out, and the restraint showed by the Indian side, and that it was resolved peacefully. We had a similar conversation with the Pakistani side. These things have different versions depending on what capital city you are sitting in. But it showed something of the enhanced communication with New Delhi in particular. You have revealed telling details in your book why the restraint in this particular case? He answered that, I have been restrained in all the cases dealing with US intelligence or intelligence from our friends and allies as well. It is something which can only be revealed with permission.